How to activate your Chase card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can activate your Chase card. So, before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step is first open up your web browser. Then head over to cheese.com. So let's search for cheese.com and /activate. Head over to this website and it will take you to this page right here. So after you're here, all you have to do to activate your new card is go through this login process. So use your online banking credentials here. Just go type in your username, then type in your password, then tap on sign in. After you sign in, what you'll do is you'll have to just tap on the activate card option and follow the prompts. Doing that, your card will get activated. All you have to do is just go through a verification process and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.